On Your Side is more than just a slogan here at KTBS3. It's a commitment we live by every day. When allegations that U.S. veterans died waiting for care, we asked why, and could it happen here? We found a whistleblower at Shreveport's Overton Brooks VA Medical Center. He opened up to 3 investigates about the existence of an alleged secret wait list and manipulated appointment times.
This is a system where a lot of this behavior is just built in the foundation.
We were there for a dramatic surrender of an escaped inmate in Sabine Parish. He told KTBS3 exclusively that he ran for freedom, but returned for his family.
It's the right decision, because if I really love the people that I say I love, then I'll do this right now. Do the right thing.
Mac Johnson was awaiting trial on theft and forgery charges.
Laissez le bon temps rouler.
Let the good times roll. Mardi Gras and the Arc de Tex just wouldn't be the same without KTBS3's dedication to Carnival season. As always, the crews of Centaur, Sobek, Harambe, and Highland dazzled crowds along the parade route and on TV. Budget shortfalls that have plagued the state for years continued to divide Governor Bobby Jindal and state lawmakers. We were there as the 2014 legislative session saw the governor and lawmakers coming together enough to find nearly $1 billion to cover the $500 million shortfall and increase some spending. Meanwhile, on the education front, Governor Jindal changed his mind on the Common Core education standards. That started a fight between the state education leaders and business organizations that is tied up in federal and state lawsuits. KTBS3 was also keeping tabs on which area schools were making the grade and which ones were failing. The annual KTBS3 Summer Reading Festival showed several thousand second graders that reading is fun and encouraged them to pick up a book during their summer vacation.
G-L.
We also partnered with the Northwest Louisiana Regional Spelling Bee, putting the local event on TV once again. We had yet another explosive KTBS3 Independence Day Festival on the banks of the Red River. More than 100,000 people turned out for the top-notch entertainment.
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Great food, the amazing fireworks show, and crowd favorites like a rock climbing wall, inflatable water slides, and new in 2014, the selfie stations. For the 24th year, our viewers showed they were willing to help the youngest members of our community. We raised $1.3 million for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital with the KTBS3 St. Jude Dream Home giveaway. More than $27 million raised over the years. It's better to give than receive, and during the holiday season, KTBS3 encouraged viewers to open their hearts and homes to a child in need. We examined adoption and the critical needs facing some children right here in the Arklatex. The heat was on for Shreveport Fire Chief Craig Mulford. 3 Investigates was first to report his indictment on the connection with the scandal at Fire Station 8.
Well, Jessica, this is a long time coming. We do know that the grand jury has been investigating Shreveport Fire Department administration and their reaction to that scandal at Fire Station 8.
Mulford was booked and charged with 5 counts of malfeasance in office. He was later fired. Death for Brian Horn. The sentence came a day before what would have been the 17th birthday of his young victim, Justin Bloxam. The jury selection, trial, and sentencing captivating the area, and we were there from start to finish. 2014 was a huge election year across the country and locally as well. As always, KTBS News crews remain committed to helping our viewers make the most informed decisions possible. We hosted multiple forums on the air and online at ktbs.com, featuring Shreveport mayoral candidates and candidates for Caddo Parish School Board. You never knew what to expect.
I am withdrawing from the mayor's race.
After a runoff election, Ollie Tyler became Shreveport's first African-American female mayor. The poor conditions of Shreveport streets was a hot topic in 2014. We saw the potholes, the places residents have been driving on gravel and dirt for decades. And we definitely heard from the citizens of Shreveport on this.
We need to get a new mayor. This one ain't did nothing for us.
High school football, it lives on KTBS3. Each Friday night during football season, our crews fanned out across the Arklatex to capture all the action for this wildly popular Friday football fever scores and highlight show. The Duck Dynasty craze reached a college football world when the Duck Commander became the title sponsor of the Independence Bowl. The giving spirit of KTBS3 shined through Thanksgiving and Christmas as our team delivered dozens of food baskets to those in need. And the holidays just wouldn't be complete without this. 3 youngsters making a mad dash through the toy aisles during the KTBS 3 3-minute smile. This is just our way of saying we're on your side.